Hey guys, we are back with Allie and we are showing what the drip dye has become. So now her color has faded, but actually still looks pretty cool. So this is what it looks like now. You can see that the pastel colors that we had on top have really faded out to actually a really beautiful blonde, and the brighter colors that we had underneath are now looking like a nice pastel color. So Allie's actually decided that she's going to keep this color. So all we're going to do is just retouch her blonde. And I'll show you guys what we're going to do there. But other than that, the color itself looks fantastic. So we're going to stick with it. Look how beautiful the color still looks in the hair. This is why it's very important when choosing colors, direct dyes, permanent colors, any colors, that you want them to fade on tone, because when they fade on tone, you're gonna get these nice shades even as the color starts to fade, rather than colors that don't fade on tone. And that's where you'll see colors look really muddy, washed out. They won't look nice through the fading process. Because the eventual plan with this color is that we're gonna allow it to fade out completely, and then Allie is gonna just go back to being blonde. What we're gonna be doing with the retouch is that we're just gonna be doing a blonde retouch and taking her roots to the same color as the top of her head. It's gonna have the effect of almost having like peekaboo flash colors coming out from underneath, which will look really, really awesome. You want to work really, really quickly when you're applying any sort of lightener application. The reason is you want to have as even of a processing time as possible throughout the head. My first few sections, I start with a lower level lightener, and then as I move through the sections, I increase the strength so that it offers a pretty even processing strength throughout, and the processing time ends up being fairly even. We have the lightener all applied now, and if we can take a closer look here, we can see that it's already starting to lift out nicely. Let's take in a deeper look. The lightener is all washed out, and we can see the underpigment now that it's showing, and it's perfect. It's at a pale yellow, which is where we want it to be. It's a perfect palette for us to tone the hair. Here is the toner in the hair, and you can see it's toning out beautifully. I used half pearl, half ash in there, and it's gonna give an awesome finish result. The color is all done now, and it looks awesome. This is a great softer take on having funkier, bright colors in the hair. The blonde roots look seamless, perfect. It's a beautiful blonde. If you have any questions or comments, guys, make sure to leave them down below. We love to hear from you. If you want to check out the products, hit our website. And if you want to win free products, go to nvenn.com/giveaway. We're doing draws all the time for free products. Other than that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're putting out videos every single Friday, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye.